Finally, the wait is over. It's what we all have been waiting for. हम twin की assembly करने वाले हैं. It's going to be really interesting. I'm going to cover everything in detail. हर minute चीज़ हम detail में बात करेंगे. And it might be a 1 part, 2 part, 3 part series. So because I want to cover everything और technically एकदम deep जाएंगे. And how we have brought our ideas to life. So that being said, Kishan has prepped everything. The block, head, the front forks, T. So everything, each and every part जो भी जाता है is all being prepped. That's the frame. If you see the wheels, they have come out really amazing. So we were deciding, what theme to go for. So Kishan is like, I want to go for, black wheels with this chrome spokes. So that's what we have done. And that's the theme we're going to follow. The block and head will also get some machine look. We're gonna take off the powder coat from the fins, तो उसमें भी ऐसा थोड़ा machine look आएगा. There are a lot of details, lot of little details. That's the sensor which is going to go on that. तो जैसे जैसे होगा वैसे cover करेंगे हम. But right now we are going to assemble the engine. The engine is going to be a normal assembly, right? There are two halves, right? One is a complete engine which is going to have the gearbox. फिर उधर से हमारा drive, the drive from that engine is going to go to the left hand side of the bike and is going to drive the sprocket. So जैसे जैसे we progress, I will explain you everything, right? And how सब पूछ रहे कि ये crank हमने कैसे join किए. So it's basically we have designed a collar, right? And both the crank has key. तो एक ये वाला है, this is the right side of the this is the left side of the engine, right? This is the right side of the engine. इधर पहले magnet लगता था, so we have chopped this end off and we have fitted a key. तो वो end में this will fit like so. This is a collar that we have designed, and the tolerances, इसके tolerances एकदम 0 है. We can't have any play. So this is the second piece we have made, क्योंकि first में थोड़ा play था, so we discarded it and now we're using this one. So let's start with the engine assembly, or it's going to be a time lapse video, क्योंकि it's going to be a normal engine assembly. फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि ये plate करके how we combine the two halves. This is the center plate which is going to take care of the torque of both the engines. This is aluminum. It is anodized, so that's why it is having this black look. And let me show you this special thing. This is actually the shift mechanism, जो shift rod है ये, क्योंकि shift rod पहले it was just this much, but now we have two engines, so we had to increase the length, and this is custom made by us obviously. So ये अगर आप ढूंढने जाओगे तो नहीं मिलेगा, right? This is custom made. Even this is custom made, the drive shaft. So now let's just assemble the engine, and I'll fill you in the details as and when we progress. So this is the complete engine that's going to house the gearbox. So we'll start by fitting the crank. Be like, because this is not so the parts might look but we have spent so much time with these engines we know what part is going to go where, so it's quite easy for us. That's your one crank done, right? We're gonna take care of the gear now. So our right side engine is already assembled. ये पूरा assembled हो गया. Now this is the left engine. So how we are transferring the power? I want to show you this. This is a custom component we have made. So it has a circlip over here. तो ये इसको इधर stop करेगी. So this shaft is gonna stop over here. Then we gonna fit a spacer, right? So you see, here goes the spacer. Then there's gonna be our sprocket, and there's gonna be another spacer. फिर इसके ऊपर there's gonna be this part. तो ये इसके साथ मैच होगा और like it's gonna थोड़ा सेटिंग नहीं आ रहा है. सो ये ऐसे फिट हो गया और इसका दूसरी साइड इज गोना शिफ्ट टू दी, इज गोना फिट टू दी ओरिजिनल शाफ्ट जिसमें स्प्रॉकेट लगता था. तो इधर से ये पावर ट्रांसफ़र होगा टू दिस शाफ्ट और ऐसे अपना स्प्रॉकेट घूमेगा. सो ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड दिस इज द ओनली थिंग दैट्स गोना बी देयर इन द इंजन. ये आप कटआउट देख रहे हो, ये चेन, इधर से चेन का क्लियरेंस करने के लिए वी हैव कट आउट दिस पार्ट फ्रॉम द casing. Now we just gonna put the gasket maker. फिर gasket लगा के इसको assemble करेंगे. Then we gonna put both the engines together with this plate. So we'll show you how that looks. So now back to time lapse. अभी हम प्लेट इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं. इट्स रियली सिंपल, इट जस्ट गोज लाइक दिस. फिर हमारे पास फास्टनर्स है. दीज आर CSK, तो वो एकदम फ्लश, इट्स गोना गो ऑल फ्लश विथ द प्लेट. तो ये आप देख रहे हो, ये लेवल से थोड़ा नीचे है. सो इट्स दिस इज द सरफेस द अदर इंजन इज गोना रेस्ट ऑन, राइट. सो पर प्लेट इंस्टॉल हो जाए देन आई विल शो यू दैट हाउ वी पुट two engines together. So we have installed the plate. Plate is nicely fastened. ये है dowels के hole. तो ये जो सामने you see the dowels, they're gonna fit over here, and this plate is gonna take the torque a little bit. अभी we're gonna install this component. This is to transfer the power to this sprocket, और this is another main component. ये आप देख रहे हो, it is 180 degrees apart. तो so basically this is the top, or where the connecting rod is at the top, और ये दूसरी crank का है. So both the cranks are 180 degrees apart. So there is going to be ignition event taking place every 180 degrees. So this is here. Abhi now we're going to combine the two engines together, and we show you how that looks. Okay, so let's do this.
સંગમ થઈ જાય.
થોડું આમ તારું એન્જિન આમ, હા આમ.
ઉપર કરું મને આ રીતના આમ.
ના ના, થોડું નીચે કર, આગળ કર. ઓકે 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 બ્રધર.
જી કાને ઠોકો ન કાને. ડબલ ચાલ થઈ. હા, હવે ઠોકવું પડશે રબડ મેલેટથી.
काम करिए, एक इंजन सूडाइए एक बार.
આવર સુડે આવર
આ વાળું સુડાઈ, પેલી બાજુ ભાર છે એટલે
ઉપરની આ બધું રાખો થોડુંક. आई यू
रेडी.
ओवा एकदम हीरो.
माच ये what the fuck. You serious bro? और तो मैं जो खोलूँ है तो है ना, खुले नहीं माना फाड़ है.
कलर बलर नहीं तो बाहर निकली.
माच दे गई.
वेट टच अप. लेट्स गो. क्रैंक फ्राई नहीं पिला करे कि नहीं.
भारत ने वकाश तू माच दे जे भाई, तू क्या बात करता है.
अभी जो प्ले है अभी प्ले है जो जरा चुप रह. आप पिला नहीं नहीं पिला.
हो जी
इसको
मजा आएगी.
नॉर्मल. हेलो हेलो जल्दी चालू करो भाई. क्रिसमस गिफ्ट आ गई नहीं.
Oh wow, just look at this. The two halves are now together. Now this is one whole engine. You won't believe, मगर ये जो इंजन हमने कनेक्ट किया है, दी टॉलरेंसेस दैट किशन कैलकुलेटेड आर सो प्रिसाइज, मतलब इतना 0-0 काम है कि ये दोनों के बीच में अभी हमने फास्टनर लगाया ही नहीं है. सो वी हैव जस्ट pressed it together and hit it by a rubber mallet, and you can see there is no play. The engine has come together nicely. और ये crank, just see the working and you'll know that how beautiful it looks. 180 degrees apart. ये अभी टॉप में है, 180 डिग्री रोटेट करेंगे हम, और अभी ये वाला टॉप पे है. सो एंड दी, अगर आप इसका देखोगे, दिस इज फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्री. सी दिस हैज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्ले, राइट, बट इफ यू सी आवर क्रैंक, देयर इज नो प्ले. ये दो क्रैंक के बीच में 0 प्ले है, 0. There is no play at all. So that is very important, क्योंकि जो कपलर है अगर उसके बीच अगर उसमें प्ले होगा, then प्ले बढ़ता ही जाएगा. But if there is no play, if there is 0 play, then it will last forever.